Damage done from hard water. Your regimen, if done properly, is not going to tear your hair up. It's just not. Do what's best for you. Stop doing what people are doing on YouTube, online. The pros and cons of doing your hair in the shower versus getting out of the shower is time. A waste of time. Getting out of the shower to do your hair, if you have the time, sure, do it. But most women are uber busy, and the real beauty of a wash and go style is that it's done on sopping wet hair, because you'll get the best results and the most definition, and it's also easier for your application of styling product or your technique is better on sopping wet hair in the shower. If you need to get out of the shower to see yourself, okay, go ahead. And 95% of women online are doing out of the shower. Okay, if that's the number that they're doing it at, sure. Do what's best for you. Stop doing what people are doing on YouTube, online. Some people are doing them because they need to get followers and clicks, and they're doing things in step. And so it's very much required when you're trying to be an influencer and to explain something for a brand, a product that an influencer might be endorsing, to show how they use it. They have to do that for the product they're endorsing, and or to make sure that that's a very rich video that gets a lot of clicks and it's very detailed. But that's not real life. Real life ain't got nothing to do with what's on internet, except all the truth that you get from me. Damage done from hard water. When I think of that question, or what should I do, hard water, you're like, you can get a softener kind of apparatus to attach to your water source, your sink, wherever, or your shower. But people have hard water all over the world. And if you're not taking care of your hair, because you have hard water, your regimen, if done properly, is not going to tear your hair up. It's just not. You can do something to alleviate your hard water issue, but I would rely more on your regimen and put a little more stock in your regimen, or how to determine on whether what's tearing up your hair. But I'm always suspicious of that question in hard water, because everybody has the option to add some hard water apparatus to their shower or kitchen sink. But are you taking care of your hair properly? So go figure. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe, and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.